Most business owners think the market is the problem. The economy is bad. The ads are expensive. The algorithm is unfair. The clients are slow. The competitors are cheaper. The industry is changing. AI is disrupting everything. Very dramatic, very convenient. But here is the painful truth. Sometimes the market is not the problem. Sometimes your timing is wrong. Sometimes your positioning is weak. Sometimes your offer is not trusted. Sometimes you are forcing a launch because you are scared to sit still. And that is the part nobody wants to hear, because blaming the market feels better than looking at your own strategy. The market becomes the villain. The algorithm becomes the villain. The customer becomes the villain, but your calendar, your timing, your readiness, your positioning, nobody wants to look there, because that is where the uncomfortable truth usually lives. In Firehorse 2026, this becomes even more obvious. This is not a soft year. This is not a gentle year. This is not the year where you can casually throw money into ads, copy a competitor, launch something half-ready, and expect the market to clap. Firehorse is hot, fast, visible, reactive, moves quickly. It exposes quickly. It rewards clarity quickly, and it punishes confusion quickly. That is why I say this Bazi timing strategy is crazy. Not because it is mystical, because it is painfully practical. Most business owners are still looking at market news, interest rates, AI trends, election drama, property prices, stock movement, crypto noise, new platforms, new tools, new launches, new panic. They keep staring at the news, hoping the next headline will tell them what to do. But the news does not tell you what to do. The news tells you what already happened. By the time it becomes news, the smarter people are usually already positioned. So if you keep making business decisions based on headlines, you are not early. You are the person arriving at the buffet after the prawns are gone, still holding a plate, still optimistic. Very sad. Bazi timing works differently. It does not ask, what is everybody chasing? It asks, what is the energy doing? Where is the heat? Where is the pressure? Where is the movement? Where is the dry land? Where is the missing flow? Where is the opening? Where is the season changing? That is why timing matters, because the same action done at the wrong time can feel like pushing a car uphill. The same action done at the right time can feel like opening a door that was already unlocked. Same person, same business, same offer, different timing, different result. And this is what many business owners miss. They think strategy means doing more content, more ads, more calls, more launches, more promotions, more offers, more noise. But if timing is wrong, more effort just means you are failing louder, like shouting at a locked door. The door is still locked. Now everyone just knows you are outside. Let's talk about Firehorse 2026 properly. The year is Bing Wu. Fire on top, horse below. More fire, more speed, more attention, more visibility, more reaction. But in the annual pillar, there is no visible water. Now, please understand this correctly. This does not mean no water, no money for everyone. That is lazy bazi. Your wealth element depends on your daymaster. Water is not wealth for every person. For some people, water may be wealth. For some people, wood is wealth. For some, fire. For some, earth. For some, metal. So don't run around saying, no water means no money. That is how people turn metaphysics into supermarket astrology. The cleaner reading is this. The annual image has no visible water, so the year is not naturally calm, not naturally fluid, not naturally soft, not naturally cooling. It is hot, dry, fast, emotional, selective. That means money does not simply flow everywhere. Money becomes selective. Money moves toward trust. Money moves toward clarity. Money moves toward strong positioning. Money moves toward people who look prepared. Money moves away from confusion, away from panic, away from weak offers, away from people who are just making noise because they don't know what else to do. In simple language, there is still money, but money becomes harder to attract if your business looks confused. If your offer is vague, people hesitate. If your brand is messy, people hesitate. If your content is noisy, people hesitate. If your follow-up is weak, people hesitate. If your sales process feels desperate, people hesitate. If your delivery is unclear, people hesitate. And when the year is hot and fast, hesitation becomes expensive because people have less patience. They move faster, they judge faster, They compare faster. They disappear faster. You think they are not ready. They may just not trust you enough to choose you. Painful? Good. Useful things usually hurt a little. This is where most business owners make the mistake. When sales slow down, they work harder, spend more on ads, post more content, add more bonuses, discount the price, chase colder leads, beg warmer leads, launch another thing, create another package, change the funnel again and again and again. They call it being proactive. Sometimes it is just panic in business clothing. Because if the timing is wrong, forcing creates waste. If the positioning is weak, forcing creates rejection. If the offer is unclear, forcing creates confusion. If the audience does not trust you yet, forcing creates resistance. You cannot force fruit from a tree by screaming at it. You water it, you check the soil, you wait for the season, you prune what is dead, then the fruit comes. That is timing. But business owners hate waiting. It feels like losing, so they force. Then they burn money. Then they call it experience. Very expensive education. Here's the real strategy. Stop picking winners. Pick your timing. Stop asking which trend will explode, which asset class will run, which technology will dominate, which platform should I jump on, which offer will sell fastest. Ask better questions. What season am I in? Is this the right month to launch? Is this the right time to sell? Is this the right time to build trust? Is this the right time to fix my system? Is this the right time to collect? Is this the right time to reposition? Is this the right time to stay quiet and prepare? That is the difference between force and timing. Force says, I want results now. Timing says, what action fits this moment? Force is a child banging on the vending machine. Timing is putting the coin in properly. Both want the snack. Only one gets it without looking ridiculous. This is the part most people do not understand. A good month for one person may not be a good month for another person. A good launch month for one business owner may be a terrible launch month for another. A month that gives one person visibility may give another person pressure. A month that supports one person's wealth may trigger another person's mistakes. This is why copying someone else's launch timing is dangerous. You see a competitor launch in August, they sell well. So you copy them. But maybe August supports their chart. Maybe August activates their audience. Maybe August fits their offer. Maybe August is their harvest season. For you, August may be the month to fix systems, not launch. But you copy them anyway. Then you wonder why your launch feels like dragging a sofa through mud. Same month, different chart, different result. Think of it like farming. One farmer grows rice. Another grows grapes. Another grows durian. Another grows strawberries. Do they all plant at the same time? No. Do they all harvest at the same time? No. Do they all need the same weather? No. So why do business owners think everyone should launch at the same time? Because someone on the internet said July is good? For what? Good for whom? Good for which action? This is the question people skip. And that skipped question is where money leaks. Let me make this even more painful. Some business owners are not failing because they lack knowledge. They are failing because they are impatient. They know their offer needs clarity, but they launch anyway. They know their audience is not nurtured, but they sell anyway. They know their sales process is weak, but they spend on ads anyway. They know their follow-up is messy, but they chase new leads anyway. They know their brand has no trust, but they keep posting motivational content and pretending that is authority. This is not a market problem. This is a timing and structure problem. You are trying to harvest from a field you never planted properly. Then you blame the weather. The weather is not innocent, but neither are you. In Fire Force 2026, this becomes brutal because fire makes things visible. Horse makes things fast. So your weak positioning becomes visible faster. Your weak offer becomes rejected faster. Your weak content gets ignored faster. Your weak follow-up loses leads faster. Your weak team cracks faster. Your weak cash flow leaks faster. This is why I say Firehorse does not always break things. It highlights them. Like sunlight entering a messy room. The sunlight did not create the mess, it just made it impossible to pretend the room was clean. Very rude of nature, very helpful. So what should you do? First, stop looking at the market like it owes you certainty. The market does not owe you certainty. The market is not your parent. It will not hold your hand and say, launch now, dear. You need timing. You need positioning. You need awareness. Bazi tells you the weather. Shimen tells you where to stand. Period 9 tells you whether people can see and trust you. Put these together and you stop reacting. You start preparing. You stop chasing headlines. You start reading seasons. You stop copying competitors. You start using your own chart. You stop forcing. You start moving at the right time. Second, stop launching because you are anxious. Many launches are not strategic. They are emotional. The business owner is scared. Cash flow is tight. Leads are slow. Team is waiting. So they launch something. Anything. A workshop. A webinar. A promotion. A discount. A new package. Not because timing supports it. Not because the audience is ready. Not because the offer is sharp, but because doing something feels better than feeling helpless. That is emotional damage with a payment link. In Firehorse 2026, that forcing can become very expensive because the market is less forgiving when attention moves fast. People can smell desperation. They may not say it, but they feel it. And when they feel it, they hesitate. Third, align your major actions with your personal Bazi timing. Not every action needs the same energy. A launch needs visibility and response. A sales campaign needs trust and conversion. A partnership needs alignment and commitment. A hiring decision needs stability and compatibility. A rebrand needs attention and clarity. A pricing change needs confidence and timing. A collection effort needs discipline and authority. A content push needs output and consistency. So why would you use the same timing for all of them? That is like using the same knife to cut cake, chop bones, open letters, and perform surgery. The knife may be sharp, the thinking is not. This is one of the most important Bazi principles for business. Not good date, good for what, good for whom, good for which result. That is where proper strategy begins. Fourth, understand your strongest months. This is where personal chart analysis matters. Your strongest month is not just the month you like. It is not the month where you feel motivated. It is the month where the timing supports the right action for your chart and business. For some people, a strong month is good for visibility. For others, money. For others, authority. For others, partnerships. For others, execution. For others, learning, preparation, and restructuring. This is why private consultation matters. Because general forecast gives you the weather. Your personal chart tells us how you should move in that weather. A storm affects everyone, but the person with a house, umbrella, car, and plan handles it differently from the person barefoot on the road holding bubble tea. Same weather, different preparation. This is why I keep telling people to join the Destiny Architect Telegram chat. Not because Telegram is magic, please. It is still an app, but inside the chat, I share timing frameworks, monthly energy shifts, business positioning ideas, Bazi patterns, Shimen strategy, period 9 thinking, and practical decision-making tools. Because one video can wake you up, but you need nurturing to change how you make decisions. Most business owners do not fail because they hear one wrong idea. They fail because they keep repeating one wrong pattern. They force, they react, they copy, they delay, they overthink, they launch late, they launch early, they chase weak leads, they ignore timing, they avoid the painful question. Then they say, business is hard. Yes, especially when you keep driving at night with no headlights. So join the Telegram chat. The link is in the pinned comment. When you enter, type timing. That tells me you came from this video. And if you want to go deeper, inquire inside the chat about a private consultation. Because during consultation, we can look at your Bazi chart, your current timing, your business cycle, your strongest months, your risk months, your launch windows, and the type of action that fits your chart. Not generic motivation, not random lucky dates, not just work harder. A timing strategy built around you, your chart, your business, your decision cycle, your next move. That is the difference between guessing and positioning. Let me give you an example. Two business owners want to launch in the same month. Business owner A has timing that supports visibility, audience attention, and output. For this person, the month may be good for a webinar, content campaign, public launch, or authority play. Business owner B has timing that supports restructuring, internal discipline, and fixing weak systems. For this person, launching publicly may feel heavy, but fixing the sales process, payment terms, team structure, or client journey may create better results. Both are taking action, but not the same action. That is timing. It does not mean doing nothing. Timing means doing the correct thing now. A farmer is not lazy because he does not harvest in the wrong season. He is smart. Meanwhile, some business owners keep digging up seeds every 2 days to check if they are growing. Then they wonder why nothing grows. Mystery solved. Please stop abusing the soil. Here is the controversial part. Many business owners are addicted to force because force feels heroic. Working late feels noble. Spending more ads feels brave. Launching again feels productive. Chasing prospects feels active. Changing strategy every week feels flexible. But sometimes it is just fear. Fear of waiting, fear of silence, fear of admitting the offer is unclear, fear of seeing that your audience does not trust you yet, fear of accepting that your business is not ready for the speed you want. So you force, and force can create short-term movement, but it rarely creates sustainable wealth. Sustainable wealth needs timing, structure, trust, positioning, follow through, not just heat. In Firehorse 20, heat is already available. You do not need to add more panic fire. You need to manage the fire. Cooks food. Fire launches rockets. Fire lights the room. But unmanaged fire burns the kitchen. Same fire, different skill. So here is your practical exercise. Take your next major business action. Maybe it is a launch, a webinar, a campaign, a hiring decision, a price increase, a partnership, a new offer, a content push, a consultation funnel. Ask yourself 5 questions. Is the audience ready? Is the offer clear? Is the trust already built? Is the timing supportive? Is this action aligned with my chart and business cycle? If the answer is no, don't force. Prepare, sharpen, nurture, reposition. Choose the right month, because sometimes the most profitable move is not the move you make now. It is the mistake you do not make now. That one hurts. Good. Pain means the idea found a nerve. Most business owners want a secret weapon. Here it is. Your secret weapon is not the next platform, not the next AI tool, not the next ad hack, not the next funnel template. Your secret weapon is knowing when your chart supports action and what action it supports. That is the Bozzy timing strategy most business owners do not know. They keep looking outside. Market news, competitors, trends, algorithms. But the timing clue may be inside their own chart. Your chart does not replace strategy. It refines strategy. It tells you when to push, when to hold, when to prepare, when to show up, when to sell, when to collect, when to partner, when to restructure, when to stop wasting energy. That is powerful. Not because it is mystical, because it stops you from acting randomly. And random action is expensive. So the next time you feel pressure to launch, pause. Ask, am I moving because timing supports it? Or am I moving because I'm scared? Am I choosing this month because it fits my chart, or because I saw someone else making money? Am I entering the right door, or am I just running toward noise? These questions are not comfortable, but they are profitable. Comfortable questions protect your ego. Painful questions protect your business. Choose wisely, preferably before your bank account starts giving you feedback. In Firehorse 2020, winners will not simply be the loudest. They will be the clearest, the trusted, the prepared, the positioned. The ones who understand timing, the ones who stop forcing and start moving with rhythm. Because when the energy is hot and fast, the wrong move burns faster, but the right move travels faster too. That is the opportunity. Do nothing, not fear the year, not hide. No, use the timing, use the heat, use the visibility, use the speed, but use it properly. A racehorse is powerful, but if you cannot ride, the horse still runs. You just become part of the floor. So here is my question for you. Are you forcing your business right now? Or are you timing it? Comment one word, force or timing. And if this hits something uncomfortable, good. That means you are awake. Join the Destiny Architect Telegram chat. The link is in the pinned comment. Type timing when you enter. Inside, I share practical Bozzy, Chi-Men, Period 9, and business timing frameworks to help you prepare instead of panic. And if you want to see your own strongest months, your personal timing, your launch windows, your business pressure points, and how to position yourself in Firehorse 2026, inquire inside the Telegram chat for a private consultation. This is